Welcome to Upstar Plus. In this video, I will show you how to upload custom thumbnails on YouTube Shorts. So this is the video, the short that I want to upload to YouTube. And this is the image that I want to use as thumbnail for that short. So to do that, let's upload the video. Here is the video. And let's just upload it unlisted because this is just for demo purpose. Short was uploaded. Let's edit it. And here it is. It is official. Now you can upload custom thumbnail for YouTube Shorts. Let's save it. And here it is. So this feature is quite new. If you don't see that in your YouTube studio, just be patient. YouTube is rolling out this feature gradually and you will receive it soon. So this is how you can apply custom thumbnail to YouTube Shorts. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.